at the Fiaola store. I just bought some Fasipovi. There's a gentleman in there, and I'm gonna see if I can pay for his groceries for him. I'll wait for him to come out. He's parked right there. Here I go. Hey, sir. Sir. How much did you pay for your groceries? How much did that cost you? Who paid for your groceries for Christmas? It was 50. There you go. You got a couple dollar tip. Not Tanielu. I'm from here, Michigan. Yeah, I married my wife since '93. She's Samoan, yeah. She was born in Lyndon Baines Johnson, Pago Pago, yeah. You heard that? Oh, good. Yeah, I just like doing nice for some people sometimes. So I actually, I live in Olympia, so there's not a lot of Samoans down there where I live at. So I go around and I like to give like free food to homeless people and stuff. Not that you're homeless, obviously, but I also like to do stuff at Christmas or Thanksgiving. So we also have like a YouTube channel where we post stuff like that. So it's Tama Palani Teini Samoa. That's my channel, yeah. That's you, yeah. Got it. Thank you, Mano. Bye. Oh. E.
I live in the other side of the island. I'm from Burlington side.
Okay. Wow.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Fasefua, God bless. So that worked out really well. I got to meet the gentleman. His name's Mongo. And I asked him how much his groceries were, and he was like $57, $58. So I let him know I wanted to pay for his groceries, and he was shocked and humble. I don't think he wanted to accept it, but I kind of forced it at him, and I gave him $60 to pay for his grocery. It just makes me feel good to do good stuff for good people. And it seemed like a really nice fellow. Had no problem shaking my hand, and he was very grateful. So I hope that helps his family and gives him many blessings for Christmas. And I did also let him know that I had a YouTube channel, so maybe he'll watch this someday. That would be nice to meet a subscriber that way through blessings for Christmas. So that's it for now. I wish there were more people here. I could pay for a few more people's groceries, but it looks like it's kind of quiet this morning, and we've got a lot of stuff to do today, so I need to get home. So from my family to all of you, Manuia le KERISIMASI. God bless. We're out.